In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get a free trial on Constant Contact. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Constant Contact sign-up page. This is the page where new users can create an account and start using the platform through a free trial. Make sure you are on the official Constant Contact website before entering any information. This helps keep your account details safe and make sure you are signing up in the correct place. Once the sign-up page loads, take a moment to look over the screen. You should see a form asking for your basic account details. This is where you will begin creating your free trial account. The page may also show information about the trial, but for now, focus on the sign-up form. Next, enter your email address in the email field. Use an email address that you can access easily, because this will be connected to your Constant Contact account. Avoid using anyone else's email address and make sure there are no typing mistakes before moving on. A correct email address is important because it helps you access the account later and receive any account-related messages. After entering your email address, move to the password field. Here, type a secure password for your new account. Choose something strong and private. A secure password should be difficult for other people to guess, and you should not reuse a password that you use for important personal accounts. Keep your password stored safely and do not share it with anyone. Now that your login details are entered, continue filling out the sign-up form with your first name and last name. These fields help personalize the account and identify the person who is setting it up. Enter your own information carefully and make sure your name is spelled correctly before continuing. This keeps your account details clean and accurate from the start. Once all of the required fields are filled in, look for the button that says Get Started, Start, or something similar. This is the button that submits your information and begins the account creation process. When you are ready, click the button to continue. After clicking it, give the page a moment to process your information. Depending on your internet connection, it may take a few seconds for the next page to load. If you already have a Constant Contact account, you do not need to create a new one from this sign-up form. Instead, look for the Login option on the page. Click Login and then access your existing account using your current login details. This is useful if you have signed up before and simply need to return to your dashboard. Using the Login option helps prevent creating duplicate accounts by mistake. After you complete the sign-up process, or after you log into an existing account, Constant Contact will take you to your dashboard. This dashboard is the main area where you can access the tools and features available in your account. It is where you will manage your email marketing, contacts, campaigns, and other account options. Once your dashboard is ready, look toward the left side of the screen. You should see a section or button that shows your trial information. This area displays the number of trial days remaining on your account. It is a helpful place to check so you know how much time is left in your free trial. Keeping an eye on this section can help you make the most of the trial period while you explore the platform. And that is all there is to it. You have now signed up for a free trial on Constant Contact, or logged in if you already had an account, and you know where to find your remaining trial days inside the dashboard.